No cooking pasta. I absolutely fucking love pasta.
Rigatoni Amatriciana.
Where'd he go? I don't know. Stick the ingredients on show. Rigatoni, olive oil, pancetta, tomato, chili pecorino, brown onion, salt and pepper. Simple to make, like not too clever. Dice up the onion, eyes get wetter. Into the bowl like a half-pack dweller. Same with the garlic, yeah, whack that into the bowl. Plastic, my target. Remove and recycle. Go mad with a pestle and mortar then.
Let's get it show on the road.
Oil, pancetta, into the pan. Every last one, no escape.
Escape the pan, huh?
See, what did I say?
Hey, still, boys.
Fry until golden crispy. I'll show you in a minute, bear with me. Oh my lord, someone arrest me. How can pig cubes look this heavenly? Someone tell me please. Right, same pan back on. No oil, you got the bacon fat. Onions in, let it sizzy, crush chili. Cook it out, till it look like that. Till it look like that. Get the garlic in. That's what I said, mate. Anyway, chef until fragrant. Tommy paste, stir up paste, followed with some Pancetta babes, and try not to culturally appropriate.
Jesus, going everywhere, like fucking things on those, yeah.
Add back in your piggy shape, stir with love and attention, you renegades of better taste. Rigatoni needing a mention, put that pan on the stove, tipping your pasta and it goes.
Boom.
Plenty of salt, cause that's how we roll. Kettle, speed up the process, what?
Make it up.
Turn your attention, please, please turn onto the
Cheese.
fill up the grater, plenty of fromage from it.
You need more cheese from it.
Yeah, loads more. What's next, Jack?
Do some seasoning and that.
Nice, alright, nice. Twist that mill, add that spice, stir that pan, take your time. Quick taste test, that face don't lie. Food is sublime, I'm shook at the thought that I may be divine. And I ain't even put pecorino inside. Off of the heat, give it a slide. Drain past the water to one side. Back to the pan and then combine. Water if needs be to make of the sauce glisten like sunshine. Plate up your achievement. More cheese than season. Take a pew, just breathing. Admire the plate of the evening. Admire the plate of the evening. Best believe next thing I'm sinking my teeth in.
I think it needs more cheese to be like Italy, but that is banging.
Buonissimo?
Mm-hmm.